In this video, you will learn what are various ways to troubleshoot your Netgear EX5000 AC1200 gear range extender device during setup in case if you are unable to connect to 92.168.1.250 website and the site shows an error stating not connected to your Netgear range extender device. Or extender connected but no internet connection. Here are some tips. The first thing that you can do is try rebooting your Netgear range extender and your router. If this does not solve the problem, then try factory resetting your Netgear range extender. Third thing that you can do is try using a different web browser. Try clearing the history and cache of your browser. Make sure that you have an active internet connection. Make sure you are using the latest firmware update on your extender. Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your Netgear range extender device, get in touch with our Netgear experts. Thanks for watching our video, and do not forget to like, share, and comment on the video, so that you never miss any video from our channel.